You're running. You hear the final boarding call. You run faster. You see the gate, but the door is closed. The staff member looks at you and says, "I'm sorry, the gate is closed." Your heart drops. The plane is still there, but you can't get on. You missed your flight. Now you need to speak. What do you say? Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Missing a flight is stressful. Sometimes traffic is heavy. Sometimes security takes too long. Sometimes we arrive at the gate just a few minutes late. In that moment, many learners panic. They understand English, but speaking feels difficult. The truth is simple. You don't need advanced vocabulary. You just need calm, clear questions. Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about missing a flight. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say if you miss your flight. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last year, I was flying from London to Rome. I arrived at the airport a little late. Security was crowded. I walked faster. Then I started running. When I reached the gate, I was breathing quickly. The plane was still outside, but the door was closed. "Oh no," I said quietly. I walked to the desk. "Excuse me," I said, "I think I missed my flight." The staff member checked her computer. "Yes," she said, "the gate closed 10 minutes ago." I took a deep breath. "What can I do now?" I asked. She told me there was another flight later that evening. "Can I rebook my ticket?" I asked. She typed for a few seconds. "Yes, you can," she said. "There is a change fee." "How much is the fee?" I asked. She told me the price. I paused for a moment. "Okay," I said. "Please book the next flight." It was not my plan. But I stayed calm and asked clear questions. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. I think I missed my flight. I think I missed my flight. What can I do now? What can I do now? Is there a flight later today? Is there a flight later today? Can I rebook my ticket? Can I rebook my ticket? How much is the change fee? How much is the change fee? Please book the next flight. Please book the next flight. When does the next flight leave? When does the next flight leave? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Now let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last year, I was flying from London to Rome. I arrived at the airport a little late and security was crowded. I walked faster, then started running. When I reached the gate, I was breathing quickly. The plane was still outside, but the door was closed. "Oh no," I said quietly. I walked to the desk and said, "I think I missed my flight." The staff member checked her computer and confirmed that the gate had closed 10 minutes earlier. I took a deep breath and asked, "What can I do now?" She told me there was another flight later that evening. I asked, "Is there a flight later today?" She said yes. "Can I rebook my ticket?" I asked. She explained there was a change fee. "How much is the fee?" I asked. After a short pause, I said, "Okay, please book the next flight." It was stressful at first, but staying calm helped me solve the problem. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. If you miss your flight, don't argue. Ask clear questions. What can I do now? Is there a flight later today? Short questions get clear answers. Number 2. Take a deep breath before speaking. Even 5 seconds can help you think clearly. Calm English is strong English. Next time you travel, imagine this situation. Picture yourself arriving late. Picture the gate closed. Now practice saying, "I think I missed my flight." Say it slowly. Say it calmly. Confidence comes from preparation, not luck. Your turn. Have you ever missed a flight? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, "I missed my flight because of traffic." In the next episode, we'll practice what to say at airport security. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.